It's up to you, I can put them in my pocket if you want.
Cheers.
Thanks, buddy. Cheers, dude.
See you in a bit, mate.
See you in a bit, pal.
Not your man, pal.
I know, mate. It's a nice day today, isn't it? It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's lovely today. Shame we're running a bit late.
I know, but there's not much on, so it might not be a long day.
Yeah. Need some nice work.
Yeah.
Now we're all back at work. Oh, it's been nice a lot of month or so now, hasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So guys, that's me unloaded, ready to go. Running a little bit, oh, a lot late. It's 10:15. Should have been leaving here at 8, but it is what it is. And it's a beautiful day, so I'll get even more of a suntan.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Yep. Now I've got to reverse. Should be fun. When you're reversing, anybody who's like new to driving and stuff like that, the simplest way to do it is just take your time. Don't care about, because the anxiety sometimes can kick in if people are watching you, or if cars are sort of waiting for you to do your job. Just take your time, just totally blank them out and just focus on not hitting anything and you'll be fine. Best bit of advice I could give anybody who's just started driving HGV, just take your time, build up your confidence over time and just focus on not hitting anything. Then over time it just becomes easy. It really just becomes easy. Always use your mirrors. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mirrors in here. So the average person in the car has got 3 mirrors. We've got 6. Use them. Use them all. Decent. Well, so apparently there's an intercom system over there.
Hello, John.
Thank you. Oh, it's easy enough.
From a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock him and dance, now it's such a dance. I remember the days we couldn't wait for the verse. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off the verse. Yeah, but I remember being...
Morning, mate. Do I need to go? Is it? Oh, you?
Yes, mate. Right, how can we help you?
Okay. Oh, delivery for you, buddy.
Radio, mate.
Just open up, yeah?
Okay, mate.
Cheers. The way they work it, your first job, that goes on last. So it's just more accessible and easy to get to. Should be, yep, all these. Oh, it's not good. Oh, you twat. No way.
I'd wait, mate.
Gonna try and get it out now.
Lower it down, mate.
Oh, that's why. I pumped up by mistake. But an
You
idiot.
could just pull the label off the top of that one first.
Yeah, sure, man.
You're good. I was going to say, think of it as a bit of weight training because you won't be allowed in the gyms yet, will you?
I know, mate. I've lost so much. I was about 17 stone at one point, and I just lost so much muscle mass. But it is what it is.
You're still young enough to get it back. 50's fucking sick, so you've got a long way to go, yeah?
Yeah, well, I'll keep fighting it. Keep fighting it.
I've give up fighting it.
Sardines, ramen noodles, and macaroni. Had that with cheese sandwich with fried bologna. Don't want no pity, this part of my testimony. Yeah, I probably could've hit a lick with all my homies. Instead I played it cool and sat at home all by my lonely. You can go be stupid, I'll be fine with being phony. Cause I seen how that worked out for Cedric, Byron, and Joey. Now my brother's serving life in a day. Putting money on his books, gotta pray.
It's half for you and half for me, mates. I've got an electronic thing. Right, buddy. Thank you, mate. Take care, bud.
Show up to a crib, had the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock him and dines, now Versace down my shirt.
It's getting hotter by the second, and I've got a cold for some reason. It makes no sense. Right, so the next one, it's only 2 minutes down the road, so I'm not going to time warp it. I'll see you there in a second.
All of that got me on high alert. That's how it works. That's how it works. By 21, I should be 6 feet
Oh, buddy.
in the dirt.
Yeah, you.
Or in a cell.
Beautiful weather, innit?
I'm thinking
Beautiful
God,
weather.
that would be a good reverse. Fitting in, I'm too adverse. The game nine, so I treat it like a nurse.
Cheers, bro. Thank you, mate.
Hard work, put God first. Just speak the truth, is the way I reimburse. Cause I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember the days.
Safe journey back.
Ciao.
See you later.
Ciao.
Are you coming in or?
I've got a delivery, mate. I'm in an Arctic though. I'm not sure if I can get
What
on
are
the
you
back.
delivering?
It's just, I think it's the, is it an IAB or some sort of, I don't know. Big metal thing that goes on the front of a digger.
Big metal thing
I
goes.
don't know what you call it, the scoop.
Oh, rhino.
Yeah, bucket, that's what I was trying to get, a bucket. Yeah. Okay, do
You just go across the gate in a minute and
Yeah,
then
sure.
send the forklift pick it up.
Cheers.
Make me a meal, now we eating off the verse.
Couldn't remember what it was called. So what we've got to do, obviously we can't go into the yard, it's too small. The road's on the right hand side. So the reason why we're at the back of the trailer now, I'm going to move this pallet over to this side so that they can get this, let me just make sure it is this. Yeah, so they can get that off, because obviously they can't go onto the road. I'm not sure if I can even get under this. Put that there, and I've got to try and get it out. Done it! Jeez. It's not that heavy, really.
I remember me used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show them to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much. Used to work hand-me-downs, now
So that's that location done. But guys, it is so hot.
I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. And if I find a way to get it, when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings. I just wish you understood the gravity, but you got low sinners. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember. I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Yeah, now I'm so lost, where do I go? I was in the chase, caught a flat on road. It was all love, X no O. I was feeling rich, but we turned out broke. North Pole, life so cold. Lukewarm.
Hi buddy. Yeah man, not bad. Got delivery for you, pal.
What have you got, mate?
I don't know, it's just one pal.
Could be f***ing anything. Yeah, well, yeah, you're in this, mate.
Yeah. Cheers, pal.
Guess we should've tried to take it slow then. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the...
Cheers, buddy.
Do you need that backing up, mate, or is that for me, or? What's that?
I just need a signature on there.
It was back in late December when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I hate how much I love it, oh I hate how I just love to catch it.
Hopefully no more pickups. It's so hot.
Took it to the stove, you were bad news, all kind, no pro. We grew apart fast. I guess we was reaping what we sowed in. I guess we was unequally yoked in. Guess if we was putting on the shoulder. Guess we should've tried to take it slow then. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing older. Now I can't believe that it was real. It was back in late December when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I hate how much I love it, oh I hate how I just love to catch a feeling. Yeah. And you told me that you understood depravity, but now I know you didn't. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember.
You guys are going to go to the next location, but we've got to wait for this guy to finish now. We've stopped the collection, the deliveries. Got to fly around and pick up these two locations because there's just been a bit of a mix-up. So I've done the first one, which I was here earlier on today, and now we're going to go to the next one, which is only 2 miles away. So I'll time warp it there and hopefully get these 8, 9 pallets, and then we'll see where we go from there. I think there's a bit of a mix-up. They're expecting somebody to be around in the area, that's why it's a bit late. So, yeah. They've told me to cancel the rest of the deliveries and come and get these. Not too bad. Strapped up. No one secure load there. Absolutely roasting. So hot even now at 4:30 on a Friday afternoon. Yep. All loaded. I think it's just time for one more time lapse back to the yard.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Finally finished. How's it going, man? Yeah, good. You're knackered, mate.
It's been a shit day.
How's it?
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
And that is why I love him. I'll see you guys soon. You take care.